Oil-based products are part of our everyday lives. To make those products, chemicals are needed, which are still largely produced from fossil fuels. Fossil fuels burnt for the chemical industry are expensive, non-renewable, and will be a rare good in the future. Furthermore, they bring environmental threats to our planet. Burning fossil fuels releases CO2 and other greenhouse gases, trapped in our atmosphere and being a primary contributor to global warming and climate change. We need to find more environmentally friendly ways to produce the products we use in our everyday lives. Knowing that CO2 is captured by plants and trees and turned into biomass by means of sunlight, and that we have plenty of them available, a circular approach can be applied using the biomass, and in particular its waste, for conversion into environmentally friendly products. How to use biomass and its waste? Biomass can simply be considered as apartment blocks, divided in different floors and units, each surrounded by walls. Each of those walls can be considered as kind of sugar bricks, providing strength to the plant, and lignin mortar, holding everything tightly together. Lignin can be separated into its individual building blocks. Each of these blocks could be turned into specialty chemicals and products. Let's further zoom in on this lignin mortar. And this is where Smartbox comes in as a research project. Smartbox is a European project funded by the Horizon 2020 programme, with the aim to drive bioeconomy. Smartbox combines 3 innovation pillars. The first pillar is about chemical fractionation of biomass into its building blocks. The second and third pillars involve biological and enzymatic transformation. Let's start with Pillar 1. Smartbox scales up the technology to separate biomass and its waste, like the pile of sugar bricks and lignin mortar, into selective lignin building blocks. And a solid sugar pulp as a valuable side product. Smartbox converts the biomass-derived building blocks into chemicals. Specific proteins called enzymes are used to act as tiny machines in a bioreactor. This biological/biocatalytical production concept is highly environmentally friendly. As such, important resources for the chemical, packaging, and food industry are sustained. All of them can be turned easily into our everyday consumables. Hey, but wait, we have a third Smartbox innovation pillar. To make the conversion of biomass to products as efficient, cheap, and environmentally friendly as possible, Smartbox also zooms in on what's happening inside the bioreactor. Smartbox is creating a handy enzyme toolbox to further develop new biocatalytic processes on the computer. By applying a smart combination between biomass fractionation and computer-optimized enzymes, Smartbox converts biomass and waste into value-added bioaromatics for various end products. Smartbox shows us the smart way to a greener future and helps Europe to reach its ambitious targets for a greener economy.